DEX crypto lending offers us from 20 to 45%, crypto staking around 5%, farming around 10%. But one of them easier to set up and safer, other have some risks. Let's discuss them one by one. I made a huge research for you. Cryptocurrencies offer virtually unlimited earning opportunities to all investors, regardless of their knowledge, experience, and financial capabilities. Passive types of income do not require your direct participation, but allow you to receive your share of the money. Passive income methods can be immediately divided into two conventional groups: high risk, high reward, and low risk, low reward. Well, let's meet them in order and start with safer methods that are suitable for beginners in cryptocurrency. Cool tool for passive income is crypto lending. It is similar to a bank deposit. The idea is that the owner of the cryptocurrency lends his or her funds at an interest rate through an intermediary such as crypto exchanges or special crypto lending sites. For example, WhiteBit Exchange offers up to 18.6 APY, or directly through P2P platforms. The safest option for crypto lending is lending to exchanges, which then lend these funds to their users who trade with leverage. The deposit of a trader who uses leverage is a guarantee of repayment. Therefore, the investor who provided the crypto does not risk losing it. All an investor needs to do is register on the platform and deposit money into an account. The coins will then work independently. You only need to check the income accrual. The amount of reward depends on the platform. Centralized cryptocurrency exchanges offer the highest interest rates. Another way to make money is staking. It is an alternative to resource-intensive mining. Staking is used for currencies created on the proof-of-stake protocol. With proof-of-stake, the reward comes not for solving mathematical tasks, but for storing coins in your wallet. To receive a staking reward, your assets are fully or partially blocked in the liquidity pool. This encourages system participants to engage in the staking process and thus ensure the blockchain's performance. Staking takes place automatically. The user does not have to intervene in the process in any way. The only task is to control the accrual of income to their wallet. Of course, staking also involves certain risks. The main one is a possible drop in the price of the chosen currency. In this case, it is better to choose a coin with a low level of volatility that demonstrates stable growth, although not dynamic. A coin with a high level of volatility can be a problem when staking. After all, in the event of a strong drawdown, an investor will not be able to sell it, even if he notices the beginning of a price drop in time. The perfect coin to try staking, with which you will never lose your investment, is the TFS token. It has a low volatility. TFS offers two types of staking. The first is regular staking. You can put your tokens in a hold for 8 hours, 1 day, or 3 days, and then you just wait for your profit. Another type of staking is liquid staking. Its advantage is that you can unlock your tokens at any time you need them. However, the more your tokens and USDT are in liquid staking, the more profit you make. TFS is an ideal token for getting acquainted with staking and cryptocurrencies. For detailed instruction on this method of passive income, see the description to this video. Farming is another type of cryptocurrency investment where you put your coins into a liquidity pool or lend them to others. For doing so, you get rewarded in the form of interest or transaction fees. A liquidity pool is a repository of cryptocurrencies where a trader can quickly exchange one currency for another. For example, to earn more or expand their portfolio, and thus reduce the risks of losing money due to crypto price fluctuations. When users will buy or sell coins in the pool where you hold your coins, they will pay a commission for it. You will receive a certain percentage of that amount depending on your share in the pool. Farming is another investment strategy in cryptocurrency where you lend your coins to earn interest, ranging from 10 to 1000% annually. However, the risks of losing money are significant. An example of a farming strategy is the Compound platform, rewarding investors with COMP tokens for lending and borrowing coins. Some users attempt to maximize profits by both lending and borrowing. The golden rule suggests that the higher the locked-in funds, the greater the potential profit. One risky strategy involves borrowing assets with the highest interest rates, leveraging as many tokens as possible, and then returning the remaining assets to the credit pool. Always adhere the rule. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Impermanent loss is the permanent risk of those who make money from farming. It is not necessarily your actual losses, but rather the loss of the potential profit you would have made on depositing tokens versus farming. Impermanent loss occurs when one of a pair of tokens invested in a liquidity pool becomes significantly cheaper relative to the other. Then, the arbitrage mechanism or other mechanism related to the sale of your tokens come into effect on the decentralized exchange. In such a case, the ratio of tokens in the pair changes significantly, and when withdrawing them, you will receive not what you invested. Staking, crypto lending, and farming are the least risky types of passive income in cryptocurrencies. But if you are ready for risk, and consequently more profit, there is another types of passive income for crypto newbies. It's trading bots. In fact, they allow you to be a passive trader. These are automated systems that make transactions according to predetermined rules and algorithms. This strategy can be useful for those who do not have enough time or experience but want to make money on cryptocurrency. The simplest example is a trading grid bot built into the crypto exchange ecosystem that uses a grid trading strategy. Its essence is to regularly buy an asset at a predetermined price and then sell it after it rises. After a simple setup, the system will take over the routine work of placing buy and sell orders at set prices, saving you from it. Binance, for example, offers trading bots that can satisfy different goals, such as optimizing the average cost and profiting from dollar value averaging with spot DCA and automatic investment, benefiting from volatility and sideways trends with spot and futures grid trading bots, or splitting large orders into smaller ones with TWAP and VP bots. Copy trading is the process of automatically or manually copying trades executed by experienced traders who voluntarily share their results and experience. This approach allows inexperienced traders to make a profit without the need to conduct in-depth market analysis. With copy trading, you can copy the portfolios of experienced traders in real time. After determining the amount of your investment, the system will automatically copy the trades of the leading trader you have subscribed to. Essentially, the whole process is to identify skilled traders and literally retrace their steps. For example, if a trader followed by the copy trading software invests $100 to buy BTC or another asset, the software will instantly spend $100 on the same coin, or a certain percentage of your trading portfolio. The most popular platforms for using this strategy are Binance, WhiteBit, Gate.io, and Huobi. In copy trading, if the strategy you follow turns out to be unsuccessful, you may lose your investment. You may also face the risk of slippage during times of volatility or if the assets you are trading are low in liquidity. So, as you can see, there are many ways to financial freedom. The main thing is to choose the one that is most effective for you. And remember, your money is your responsibility, so spend it wisely.